the last taxiway, the one right before it, we'll go vertical to 30 degrees. All right, 262s, wings, red smoke. Don't hit the trees.
Or each other.
$30 degrees vertical now. Roll left and dive now. Bank to the left and stay straight. Right to 155 now. Roll left, pull now.
Swapping to left wing, dude.
Alright, what was going on?
Heading 315, level off. We'll be doing a loop. Loop in 3, 2, 1, pull. And roll left, pull. And we'll be going vertical over the spectators. Vertical in 3, 2, 1, now. And that's it. Great job, guys.
Very nice.
Nice one.
You can smoke off and land at your own leisure.
Roger that.
No, I'm gonna do some spinny spins first.
Oh yes, spinny spins. It's fun time.
Spinny spins!
Yes, I'll eat shit. Hell yeah. Fuck yes, guys.
No, I'll start spinning, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Lord. I got out of the stall. I'm the biggest pro here.
Spinny spins.
Whatever show is next, you guys are up.
Who
Yeah, I
is
think
next?
it's me next.
Indeed. Something about phantoms, last I heard.
No, it's the Super Mystery next.
Oh, is it?
Oh wait, I'm not landing. I need to get something else. Round.
What are you doing next?
I'm in a different show that I need to switch my lineup for.
Ah.
Can I crash into
So 262s, you're clear to land or change airplanes, do whatever you like. I'm done with you. Thanks, guys.
Roger,
Epic, bro.
Dodger, you welcome.
Excellent job.
I
For not
just
having practice, that was pretty good.
Yep. I think 3 of us practiced that, so.
Oh yeah, it was just there, me.
Well, honestly, I only made up the routine yesterday, so
Yeah.
It was pretty epic.
somehow it worked out perfectly for the timing of that song and the ending.
especially because I was in it, right? Because I'm the biggest pro here.
Dumb.
Amazing.
Let's go with that.
Massive creepy.
Utterly perfect.
And I need to explore this little British house. Excuse me.
I managed to damn
It's all
near
right.
park.
I'll have to change my plane into something very
I just made little Tommy an orphan.
Yeah, I gotta change mine to a P-51 for
Why
Doom
did I
Boy.
just hear a plane crash outside? Was that one of you guys?
In real life or?
Yeah, in real life. Yeah. I think I just heard it
Yeah,
twice.
it was me. Yeah, I just crashed in real life on Airbus 310.
God damn it, it's
320
9/11 all
Neo.
over again.
Yeah.
If you
I
Right,
live,
shit again.
half an hour from those places.
if you
I
live
live
in
a half an
America,
hour
just
drive.
watch out for tall buildings, you know.
Watch out for tall buildings.
Skirt, skirt. I hear shit.
Largely peaceful September 11th flight.
Hello.
Oh god, Doom, what are you gonna do?
Oh, okay.
I am kneeling, if you didn't notice.
I'll
You're
shoot you.
kneeling. What for who?
He's kneeling. Translation: he broke his wheels.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I thought it was like football players where they get on one knee. Yeah,
I'm kneeling on both knees.
kneeling with both knees. Okay, so you're being knighted.
He's praying.
Yeah.
Call sign Rogue 66
Queen
for
is
information line.
about to do the funny thing with the sword to me.
I gotta
The
do
funny
funny thing with
thing with the sword.
B29. I think we have a random
funny
mix
Do
3,
the
by the way.
funny thing with the Concorde, okay? Concorde,
a
it's
random
not
thing
Concorde,
with a
I'm
MiG
fucking
3.
retarded.
Right, is the
does the
runway
funny
clear
thing
for me to take
with the
off?
sword.
Even though you're taking off in the wrong direction. Yes.
Oh, that's a
It
random.
doesn't matter.
Oh, F104.
There is a MiG-3.
Yeah, Hawker, you need to kick Strike Girl and Nick
Just
123.
won't.
Is
Yeah,
Shrek
I've done that.
actually a girl?
I didn't
It's
explode.
probably a fanboy, so don't get your
I can say
hopes up.
absolutely.
No, I wasn't getting my hopes up because Well, I've seen her MiG-3 is in the sometimes. I used to classifier. see her. when I was in
Well,
Nova.
you just said to avoid her, so
We don't know that. We just call it it.
that's great. That's great.
It's a
We're
Mike.
going
Are
to
you
see gender
assuming
in
it's
2020.
gender? Sexist.
My gender is Toyota Supra 1 2 3 4 5 A B C
Oh,
D
were you that? Were you that
pro
buggy that?
fascist.
You respect my rights.
Wait,
Hello,
Panda,
262.
was that
From
that
above.
buggy that drove
On
by your
disgusting
house?
foreigners.
The buggy
Guys,
that
look
drove
at
by
me
your house
eating
at
shit.
11 p.m. last night.
Is there what's going on?
Beater Honda Civic.
Beater Honda Civic.
Is Tall Pig here?
No,
No. Oh, what?
they were meant to be here.
I'm very
I know
talented
Ted.
for landing
Ted
fat
said he was going to be.
planes.
See, he's in Norfolk.
So am I.
You know how
I
to.
mean,
Because
so
I'm
am I,
fat
but
too.
You know what,
managed
guys?
to get
How
him.
much y'all want to bet when they get ready, we're gonna be sitting here like, yeah, we're done.
Look at this butterization,
Yeah.
guys.
Is Hawker
Butter.
Typhoon doing a performance right now?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Dean, shut up.
This is my performance.
Fancy.
My dog was trying to look in the face.
Ah, that was a great landing, guys.
Nice noises.
I was talking.
Oh shit.
Down
Okay.
now.
How do you not? Okay.
Ass bag.
I don't like your laugh. Your laugh
Wait, guys,
scares me.
click on.
Oh.
Click on.
Oh.
Click on.
Clear comms.
Oh.
Clear comms. Clear comms. Okay, I think the problem with your shit is that we can't hear you because your mic's too low. So.
Oh, sorry. I want after
I'm
you.
going to eat one of you.
Oh no, shush.
I want after Super Mystere because I think Tall Pig's on here. So does that mean I go next?
Yeah.
Okay, right. I'll start taxiing when you tell me.
Okay, looking
Kicked
at
from the match for being in the MiG-19S.
MiG-19.
Who what?
Extra balls in the MiG-19.
Yeah, that's one of ours.
Right, okay.
Doom, do you have any other planes to do your thing with?
Do I get a free?
I thought I was supposed to be doing Doom's thing, but whatever.
It isn't for a while.
Oh, in that
This
case.
session, so never mind.
You what?
Let's ban from this session. Big F.
You what?
Why'd you get banned?
What happened there? It says you're back.
You are
Why
banned
has
in
you
this
been
session. Negation.
What?
Because we don't like you.
Gay frogs.
Really hungry.
Gay frogs, gay frogs.
Go eat food. We got some time. I don't like I'm putting chemicals in the water. They're
I'm
turning
gonna
the
go get
freaking frogs gay.
I'm lazy.
Do you understand that?
Dad, please turn the freaking frogs
Frogs
gay.
gay.
Screw this crap. Gay frogs, freaking frogs, frogs. I'm gonna say it real slow for you. Gay frogs,
Frogs.
gay.
I kind of want to
Of
play
our
that.
last air show, we used F3Fs because we were like, oh, everyone uses Phantoms for everything, yet here we are sitting in Phantoms.
Disgusting phantom, only Nick.
Wait,
I will build a Phantoms
wait.
one day.
dude, are we attempting a MiG-21 thing?
I don't know. Maybe. We could do
I
that.
mean,
I'ma just-
alright, hang on.
But you know
I'ma
what's
just
funny
say
is your
one
favorite
thing.
aircraft fell for
Where's
a
Bot
105
Commands?
trick.
I'd love to do a
Yeah,
MiG
your favorite
one,
aircraft
but
did fall for the 105 trick.
I don't got a MiG-21. I got a MiG-19.
Guys, where's Bot Commands? Like, where do I play my music?
Hey, the P-51 isn't for a while, so...
I think it's called bot spam. Yeah,
I'ma just say
Oh yeah, found it. Sorry.
that,
bot spam
that
general.
the beginning of our air show is gonna be a bit strange. So don't
I'm gonna
question it.
stick with the cool kids. I'm gonna go stick with the fandoms. Cool kids.
You know, sit with us? Hey.
Who's this?
I'm gonna switch my plane. I'm not up for a while.
Yeah, same. That's why I'm in this. But yeah.
Alright, I have
Are we
taken
getting
the
friends?
on fuel, so...
What's
See, I
going
don't need that much space to take off, so...
I don't
In
need
order
Also,
to not
Rogue, that
cause
was
yet
freaking
another
sexy.
fire, I'm going to go find
guys,
a river.
What was?
Clear comms real quick. Clear comms. Can you tell me when to taxi, please, Nathan? I'm ready.
Yeah, you can taxi any
Okay, I'll taxi.
Why is the MiG so
time you
tiny
want.
compared to the Phantom?
Because
can I land,
it's
by the way?
better.
No,
That's
it's
an
ass.
opinion.
You fell for the 105 trick.
Do a lot of our pilots have like canopies open? They're just like sup.
Sup?
Sup, Mike?
Yeah.
I wish they'd model more
You
canopies.
guys want to gonna park with us?
Yeah, yeah,
money.
yeah, dude.
They won't do it.
Let's go this way.
I'm gonna
Sup?
do the same.
Oh, my
You
screen
gonna
is
park with
shaking.
me?
Like the Saber for existence. Existence. For instance, the
See, my
Saber's
plane says
canopy doesn't
100 on
open.
it, so it's the best.
I don't need no taxiway.
Oh, does everyone have their little houses? This one can be mine then.
Cool kids take the glass.
Yeah, I'm taxing with the cool kids.
You're gonna get
Kids.
that, you're gonna take that house right there?
Yeah, this is my house. Mine.
Alright,
My hangar.
alright.
You're landing the wrong way.
My mid code.
What? What's
This is the
Focke
way
Wolf
that
200?
the actually faces, but alright.
Oh,
Someone does a display on a Focke Wolf 200, I'm gonna be mad.
I am in Focke Wolf 200.
And it looks like I'm bigger than you. Not even
I'm gonna
lying.
go say sorry to little Tommy.
It
Well, I
looks
mean-
like what?
Oh no.
Rogue, that your 262 display was freaking sexy, especially that break at the
Really?
end right over us.
Yes, it was
Yeah.
big, and I did spin
Are
spins.
you landing now, Nathan?
Oh, there, taxi,
Yeah.
taxi over
Okay.
here.
That was
Yep,
a really nice
I'm
turn.
coming.
Okay,
Should I
what's happening?
use-
Who's up next?
We got a
Me.
friend.
Who?
We got a MiG-21.
UK Hayden's next, because
Yo, my whole wing is in this house.
let's go.
Guys, look, the MiG-21 is vibing with its killers.
And
Shut
you
up.
do for the
It wasn't. It was like a 1-to-1 kill ratio.
No, it was 1 to something. 1 to
1 to
12. It was
I
1 to
think it was-
12.
No, you're
It was 1 to 5, then it came back up to 1 to 12.
Council
No.
Phantom Super Steer B2 is landing.
You're
Oh my
thinking
God.
Gulf War. Vietnam was like
Vertner.
2-1, I think.
Imagine,
And-
imagine how.
Yeah, Vietnam
he
was low
bounced.
at first, and then Top Gun was created.
That was a bounce.
Yep.
That was a bounce.
Alright, I'm
I'd
next.
say 4 out of 10. Give me your
That's not
toes.
great.
My excuse
Give me your
was a
toes.
pothole in the runway.
You've
0
lost
out of
toe
10.
privileges.
There'll be more potholes in the runway when I'm done.
This ain't. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Hey,
Jesus
get
now.
now.
I'm picking up too many planes on radar.
Little nub.
Yeah, you might as
Guys-
well
Okay,
take
right.
off.
I'm about to take off.
I
Someone's
wish
engine is
this
on.
was
It's just
DCF.
shaking my screen.
So the funny thing is, our last air show we brought F3Fs because we.
That was really cool. That display. I watched that. That was
that
really
was
cool.
fun.
Yeah.
We were the
Well,
heart
wait,
of the
I
air
already
show.
said this joke to you guys. I'm gonna just say it to the Phantom Panda. I said last air show we brought F3Fs because we were saying, oh, everyone only uses Phantoms. Yet here we are sitting in Phantoms.
Hey, but we're not going Mach 24/7, so.
It's the Council of Phantoms.
We're gonna be I already told him we're doing something weird at the beginning. I didn't say anything else with that, so don't worry.
I'm actually gonna take off.
You better take off. I'm coming up your ass.
26 coming in for landing. Council of Phantoms.
Oh my God.
Judge.
Where? Which one?
Okay,
Phantoms are
well-
ready to judge. It's around.
Fuck Wolf,
Oh,
fuck Wolf
826.
to
About to have an
100 taxing
826
to
land over my head.
whatever.
Okay, right. I'm waiting.
What kind of death was that being?
SMT is just MF is just a little bit skinnier. SMT.
Yeah, it's a bit skinnier.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better?
SMT
Like
has
me,
more
or do you like
fuel.
that better? It doesn't really matter though. I
I
generally
don't like
use
chonky
more
boy.
than
I like
20 minutes.
thin boy.
A26 on final.
Thanks, mate.
I
Pump this up your
personally
band.
like the F13 mostly.
Yeah,
honestly.
you're gonna lose your tow privileges.
You're gonna use your life permit.
Just because it looks like a dart, you know. The 21F13.
Me 104 meets
does
MiG
actually.
21.
I call
Dark
any Mega
noises.
dart. I call any Mega cancer pencil. So
That was a very nice landing.
That was a
Wait,
very
you're
nice
down
landing.
already? Shit, I didn't even tell.
Damn, son. I saw it. I saw it.
That's
I
a
approve.
10.5 out of 10.
The council will decide your fate.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be here all night.
Decide your
I
fate.
didn't even tell you.
The Senate will decide your fate. I am the Senate.
I
Super
am
Mystere.
the
Maybe.
Senate.
What's that? You're a brown guy? Dang.
The Senate will decide your fate. I
Hey
am
Beam,
the
you do
Senate.
have your drogue shoot activate. You have drogue shoot activation, right?
Oh,
Shoot,
I'll have to
drug
do that on
shit.
Bind it
Drogue.
now.
Okay, right. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, you might want to bind that. Shark you too, unless you already
Yeah.
have.
I think you guys know what we're doing.